As lash artists, our own technique is the most important factor in retention. If your clients are losing lashes quickly, the first step is to assess if any changes need to be made to your application process. However, client aftercare does play a big role in retention as well.
Once you have completed your set, it is very important to give your clients the knowledge to properly take care of their extensions and eyes, as well as how to prolong their set between refills. Here's what clients should know. Number 1. Do not get lashes wet for 4 to 6 hours after service. Number 2. Avoid using mascara on the lash extensions. Number 3. Clean eyes and lashes with lash shampoo daily. If your client wears eye makeup, they must remove the makeup with a cleansing wand and water-based makeup remover, followed by lash shampoo. Instruct them to dry their face with a fiber-free towel or sponge to avoid their lashes being pulled off by the lint and fibers. Lashes being pulled out prematurely can cause follicle damage and can potentially cause the lashes to stop growing. We want to keep our clients' natural lashes healthy and strong, and therefore, we must educate them on how to properly take care of them. Number 4. Brush lashes daily to keep them in good shape. This is very important after the client washes their face. Number 5. Avoid saunas, fire, facial steam, and putting oil on the lash extensions. Number 6. Tell your clients to avoid sleeping on their face, rubbing their eyes, and pulling on their lashes. Number 7. Recommend getting refills every 2 to 3 weeks.